Just a couple don'ts. Don't wrap your entire product description, as a heading. Subheadings, don't keyword stuff. Try not to repeat the same subheading. You must have more than 300 words on a page. Must. And duplicate content. Duplicate content, there was a big article last year or the year before that was like, Google doesn't care if it's duplicate content. They do. Duplicate content doesn't mean content that's the same on your website from page to page. You might have some information. The classic one is a lot of shopping sites will have all the special characters or special information that might stay the same. Duplicate content means I have two websites with the exact same content. Google is only going to rank the ones that's more relevant. So just know that when that comes up, which it will. And there's some secret tools for you. And don't worry, these are going to be listed out in Kajabi. These are going to be things like I talked about Yoast, the redirect plugin. There's some image size stuff, and there's the Hemingway app, right? So these will all be there. But the content tools are fun. So the Hemingway's the editor is the best one. And there's a couple plagiarism checkers in case you hire somebody. And then some shortening image stuff. Now, all this stuff will be in Kajabi. Just note, one of the ones I'm using a lot more now that's a lot like Photoshop, but free, is Photopea. It's a great site. You use it more and more. And the Hemingway are the ones I use it most.